Hey everyone, it's Ria from angelsanddudes.com. Today I'm making antibacterial lemongrass DIY lotion bars for summer. These lotion bars are an incredibly easy and convenient, all natural, lightly scented way to moisturize your skin during the summer and leave it feeling great. Keeping skin moisturized can be just as difficult during summer as it is during winter because we spend a lot more time outdoors. These homemade DIY lotion bars heal and moisturize skin. They're also extremely gentle, a good choice for sensitive skin, and are made from quality natural ingredients. Plus, they only take a few minutes to mix together. Who doesn't love that? For this recipe, you'll need 2 ounces sunflower oil, 1.5 ounces beeswax, 1 ounce coconut oil, 1 ounce shea butter, and 2 ml lemongrass essential oil. Start by heating 1.5 ounces of beeswax on low heat until melted. Turn off the heat, then add an ounce of shea butter. Let it melt naturally. Mix well, breaking the shea butter up into smaller chunks to help it melt faster. Keep mixing until most of the shea butter is melted. It takes a couple of minutes, so just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Once the shea butter is almost melted, add 2 ounces sunflower oil, and an ounce of coconut oil. Mix well to fully combine the ingredients. If the mixture solidifies when combined, just place it back on low heat to remelt it. Once fully melted, add 2 ml of lemongrass essential oil if using. I just love its fresh citrusy scent. So fragrant, so citrusy. Mix well one last time to fully incorporate. Fill your tubes with the lotion mixture all the way to the top. Let them cool completely and harden before placing the lids on. It will take about 15 minutes before you can put the lids on and about 30 minutes before they are ready for use. If you don't have lotion tubes, just pour your lotion mixture into a silicone mold, then store the lotion bars in a glass or tin jar once they're ready. These DIY lotion bars are really convenient and so easy to use. They stay solid but melt pretty quickly when you start applying them. Just rub onto your hands, then rub your hands together to distribute the lotion all over. They'll not only moisturize but also relieve dry, cracked skin and leave hands feeling great. And no harsh chemicals. Yay! No wonder these lotion bars are so popular. Ta-da! Are you ready to nourish your skin and have it wonderfully soft? Then try making these antibacterial DIY lotion bars for summer. And let me know in the comments what your favorite DIY recipes to make are. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure you share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you do, make sure you click that little bell icon. That will make sure you never miss a recipe. And thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye.